So is that license you bought it, but nobody using it? It will give you a recommendation. You launched a Kubernetes cluster. You are running an application called your website. You're running a website on your Kubernetes cluster, but nobody is accessing it. It will give a recommendation. You're running a EC2 ECS cluster. ECS nothing but Kubernetes cluster. You're running a Kubernetes cluster. Website is running. There are 4 containers are running. 100 customers are there. Suddenly, see, customers are increased 200, 300. It will give a recommendation saying that we need to optimize. As of now, it is under provisioned. It will give like statements like under provisioned. Under provisioned means total 200 customers are there. Only 100 customers are able to handle this. This whatever the containers are running, only 100 customers are able to handle it. That's called under provisioned. Currently, 200 customers are there. So you have to optimize it. What is over provisioned? 1 customer is there. You allowed for 400 customers. That's called over provisioned. You want 10 customers should access your website. For that, p2.micro is fine. 1 core processor, 1 GB RAM is needed. But you open 2 core processor, 4 GB RAM, which is not in use. You don't want it. Then it will tell you over provisioned. But your application is accessed by 400 customers. You only allowed 2 core processor, 4 GB RAM. Then it will tell you optimize. Over under provision, you have to optimize it. Optimize it to what? It will recommend 6 core processor, 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM. That's called optimization. Again, customers increased. It will tell you under provisioned. So you have to go all the way to your EC2 instance. It will give you saving opportunity as well. How many EC2 instances are running? How many, the complete data you get. See, you see Lambda, example Lambda. How many Lambdas? 1 Lambda. How many under provision? 0. How many over provision? 1. It's supposed to be optimized. This one should come here. It is unnecessarily over provisioned. Like this, you will get a recommendation. You will take this data, you will click on this, you will go to that Lambda. If Lambda is created by a Java developer, you will tell him, you will escalate this to your Scrum Master, saying that in AWS, I see that one of the Lambda is over provisioned. We need to optimize it so that we save money. When you say save money, customer feel happy. Yes or no? If I'm coming to you, I'll save your money means everybody feel happy. Same thing, you're giving recommendations. So you use a tool called Compute Optimizer on EC2, on auto scaling, on EBS volumes, on Lambda function, on ECS and licenses. It gives recommendation. You provision EC2 instance, you have to come here. You have not provisioned anything. No need to come here. See, there is a Lambda, there is a recommendation. How many EC2 instances we have? Total 22, I think I have EC2 instances in North Virginia. Are they showing here any EC2 instances? No. Why? All are in stop status. When they are in stop status, when you are not using your money, who will come and give you a recommendation? When you're spending your money, now Swiggy knows how much money you're spending on Swiggy. And Uber knows how much money you're spending on traveling. And Amazon knows how much money you're spending on shopping. And Netflix knows how much money you're spending on OTT platform. Then only somebody comes to you and give a recommendation, right? I see that you guys are using, for food, you're using Swiggy, for travel, you're using Uber, for shopping, you're using Amazon, for OTT platform, entertainment, you're using Netflix. Somebody might come tomorrow and say, all this I'll give it for in one application and I'll only charge $1. Where you're spending $10, I might say, give me $1, I'll give you all this. Somebody come like this. That's called recommendation.